You say I make you nervous, a tragedy, I'm a beautiful disaster, a reckoning, you wonder how I got this way. You think I'm someone to be saved, someone to clean up and tame. Oh, some things never change, never change. You think I would look pretty on your arm once you cover up my bruises and battle scars, but it always ends the same.
Today is an unboxing creativity. This is a Maniology and Me monthly description box. I believe this box is 30. And I want to say I had a code too for this down there in the description box. I want to say I do. Well, I'll have to go and look to see myself. So, these boxes are great for shipping. See what we got this month. This is what it looks like. It's like cats. Don't tell me we got cats. This tells you what's in your box. This tells you how to use it, and looks like we do have cats. And this tells you how to use it if you do not know. Everything is in this paper here, so that means we can get the box out, which we're going to keep the box because it's great, like I said, to ship. So, alright, so we will put that over there with our other box, and we will open up our goodies. We're going to open up our goodies. Oh, what am I got? What do I got? What is this? We got something new. What is this? Tool 094. But what is it? Oh my goodness. I don't know how to get in a bag. Looks like it might be a thing to put polish in to do your stuff, maybe. I don't know. It's rubber or silicone or whatever you want to call it. I want to say silicone. Well, that is cool. I guess you would put like your polishes there if you ever going to do a what is it called? When you paint it. Oh, we got another sticker. Nail it. That's cute. Alright, let's look at our plates first. Alright, this one is, looking for numbers, 127. Yeah, 127. It is cats. Meow, 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 meow. And it looks like there's dog. Oh, it looks like a dog. It might not. Yeah, it's dogs and cats. Dogs and cats. Alright. I like that a lot. Alright, and this one is 128. And it's more cats. Cat paws. I think all this one is cats. Like the cat's butt. The fish. For the cat. The back of the cat. The front of the cat, the back of the cat. Oh, that's cool. Now I have to do a cat Manny. Meow meow. Meow meow. Alright, let's see what our polishes look like. I don't think my polishes come in a box last time. I can't remember. And we have 512 and 513 for our polishes. Ooh. Look at the color. I like that. Really like that color. And this is made in, keep away from children, made in China. Shank Does that say Shank? C-H-A-N-K. And this one says Tippy Tap. Tippy Tap. Tippy Tap, Tippy Tap. That's too cool. Tippy Tap, Tippy Tap, Tippy Tap. That is really cool. I have another unboxing to do, but it won't be out probably until tomorrow. So I gotta get that one. I'm gonna put these back in there so I know they're new. And we're going to close those up.